Hey guys, I bet you wish your desk looked like mine. Well, it can in part, because these are from Lizzie Brewer, and they are for bingo prizes. Yes, they are. And she says, she sent in a few little journals for bingo prizes. And most of the journals are unfinished, so the winners have something to do. So they are WI question mark journals. I think that means they're unfinished. UFO, maybe it's UFO. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to show you, and hopefully you will be one of the lucky winners at bingo to get one of Lizzie Brewer's journals. Because who doesn't want something handmade by Miss Lizzie? Look at this. Look at this. How freaking awesome. Look at this. Oh my word, Miss Lizzie. Look at this. And then, look at this. Isn't it just absolutely awesome? Whoops, don't lose it. Okay, Kathy, don't make a mess. Hold on, I'm having a Lizzie craft a lunch on my desk. I thought I could do this. It's stunning, Lizzie. I love it. I need to check out the pattern of this before I wrap it. And then you have this one that ties. I don't know what she made this out of, but it's freaking awesome. Look how perfect. Wow. So you have a pad there, a tag there, and a little flip here. And then a tuck spot there. And what is this? Oh my goodness, looky here, you got more stuff in here. Wow. And then you have all these little envelopes over here. They're so stinking cute. Oh my goodness, Lizzie, you outdid yourself on this one. I love it too. Of course, I'm going to love them all, but hey, it's beside the point. I'm going to go ahead and tie it so nothing falls out of it, because I'm going to try to get all these wrapped tonight and put it with the bingo stuff. Then the winds will blow their own freshness into you, while cares will drop off like autumn leaves. Oh, how perfect timing. Look at this. Oh my word. This is an APC holder, guys. Let me see if this pops off. I think it's supposed to. I hope so. Look at this freaking awesomeness. Oh, it's not an APC. Oh my goodness. Is that in a pocket? I can't tell. I'm not going to mess with it too much. I'll let whoever wins it play with it. Look at these. Lizzie, these are adorable. You really did a fantastic job. Wow. She has perfect marks on them too, where she scored them. This is awesome. Awesome, 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 Miss Lizzie. So I put this back on here. Okay, there's two. This, wow. Okay, can y'all see that? Wow. Oh, I love it. Feels so good. When we get to feel it. Oh, wow. Look at these. How stinking adorable is this? There's a little pocket in there. Oh my goodness. This is an envelope, so it looks like she's got stuff stuck in that. I'm not going to pull it out, because y'all know I'm Calamity Jane. I may not get it back in. This is too stinking cute. The time machine. Look at that. Oh, I just love it. I know whoever gets this will cherish it forever. Because you'll have a Lizzie Brewer project. Oh, look at this one. Live, love, and laugh. Home sweet home. Wow, that's gorgeous papers. Oh, these are little pockets. How stinking cute. Perfect. Wow, and each page is a pocket. Great. Miss Lizzie, I need some patterns. Look at this. I just absolutely love it. Now, y'all know I love my paper bag journal, so it was kind of hard for me to even show this one because I was thinking, maybe I ought to keep that one. But no, it's going in bingo. Look at this awesome paper bag journal. Check out this mixed media tag in here. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. This is too adorable. It's in black and white, it looks like. Oh, I love the way you did this. Wow. Just did it right there too. That's so cute. I like that. Oh, Miss Lizzie. What's this? Now that's actually, see, she makes you think it's another one of those, but it isn't. It's a tag inside of it. Oh, this one opens up. Cool beans. I love paper bag journals. And there's your pocket there. Fantastic, Lizzie. Alright, I already opened that one. Look at this. There is only one happiness in life, to love and be loved. Look at this. Oh, so creative. Oh, Lizzie. I love it. Absolutely love it. Wow. This is so adorable. And I don't think you signed them, so I am going to put your name in the back of each and every one of them to make sure whoever wins it knows that they have a true keepsake here on their hands. A real handmade item from Lizzie Brewer. Oh my goodness, Miss Lizzie. And this one is off the charts. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Oh, look at here. How cute is this? Absolutely love it. Fantastic workmanship. It's got little snaps on it. Did you hear that? And then you have the pages with the little pockets in them. Oh, there's one on each side. How cute is that? Wow. I hope I'm keeping it in camera. And the same on this side. You've got the little waterfall of booklets, and then here you have a pocket. Wow. I love it. I haven't made these in a long time. Now you make me want to make them again. Isn't that cute? And they sign it inside of that and say made by Lizzie Brewer. I will make sure your name is on each and every one of these before they get wrapped. This one, you're going to have to cover it, whoever gets it, but I wouldn't. I'd leave it right like it is because that's how Lizzie left it. Look at that. Look at that. It's the same pattern again, just larger. Both sides. I mean, she's just very creative. And look at this one. How cool would this be? Sticking little notes on it. That is adorable. If you have a young grandchild, like 10, 11, 12-year-old granddaughter, you could put a special message on each page, or do a 3x5 picture of her in different stages of her life and write a little message under each one. That would be a great Christmas gift, guys. Just saying. And then you could leave this part in here for her to play with and do, you know, write her own little daily journal entries. And if you did decide to give it to granddaughter, I would definitely cover it then. But, yeah. If I had a granddaughter, I would keep it. No, I wouldn't. Yes, I would. I would ask Miss Lizzie, could I buy it from her? So, and I went to Lizzie's cell, and oh my goodness, guys, if y'all have not seen her yo-yo she makes, let me get the box out. Her yo-yos are to die for. Check these out. They look store-bought. Look how perfect. Absolutely looks store-bought. Aren't they beautiful? I have some more in here. Oh, these are my favorites. These. Aren't they gorgeous? I got these for Christmas journals. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love them. Here's another pack. Then I bought some bling from her. But guys, you got to get a hold of her yo-yos. And if you get a chance to get her in her paper packs, you need to get those too, because they're off the charts too. Okay guys, I hope you win one. I really, really hope you win one. I will start getting them ready. I'll sign her name to them. And start, you know, getting them ready, and they will be packed up, and maybe 1 or 2 a week will be in there. We'll see. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.